So over here, you can see that I have a text file opened up in Notepad right here. So in many of the applications, when you select out the text and right click, you will have this option in Windows right here called Explain with Copilot. So if I were to go around and click right here, then what happens is that it actually goes around and opens up the Windows version of Copilot, and it asks you to send to chat. So that means it is asking you whether you want to send the selected text to the chat right here in Copilot. So if I were to go around and click on send, then what happens is that it sends out this particular text, as you can see right here. And based on the information that you send right here, you can see that this is what you have right here. So now you can see that this is what you have right here. So it uses this text right here from this application and sends it out onto this Copilot application right here. And then you can interact with it further as you want. So that is how you can go around and then send out text directly to Copilot in Microsoft Windows in supported applications. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.